Welcome to Bologna. Bologna in Latin is Bononia, city capital of the Emilia-Romagna region in northern Italy. This is one of the most historical cities of Italy. Some call it the City of Red. Bologna is lively historic capital of the Emilia-Romagna region. Its Piazza Maggiore is a sprawling plaza lined with arched colonnades, cafes, and medieval and Renaissance structures such as the City Hall, the Fountain of Neptune, and the Basilica di San Petronio. It's wonderful. Among the city's many medieval towers are the two towers, Leaning Asinelli and Garisenda. We actually climbed up to one of them, from where you can easily see Bologna. No small wonder Bologna has earned so many historical monikers. La Grassa, the Fat One, celebrates a rich food legacy. For example, the ragu or bolognese sauce was the first created here. La Dotta, the learned one, doffs a cap of the city university founded in 1088. That's right, 1088. The Rossa, the red one, allures the character of the medieval building, adorns with the miles of the Potrizos, as well as the city's long-standing penchant of the left-wing politics. Now let's take a look at some photos. Okay. We had a wonderful time here. We did explore as many places as we can in Bologna, and it was just beautiful and wonderful. The following photos were taken with Fuji X-T20 8 in Silky Pix Developer Studio Pro with Acros Film Simulation. Enjoy! see you in Ravenna.